How to apply for a home equity loan with Discover Bank on desktop. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, type that apply for a home equity loan with Discover Bank. Then scroll down and there you'll get to see home loans option available. Simply tap on the home loans and navigate to the Discover's official website. In there, you can simply see that the Discover no longer accepts application for new home equity or mortgages refinance loans. Discover has officially ceased accepting new home equity or mortgages refinance application. If you have already submitted an application and it's under review, Discover will continue processing it as usual. If your loan is already funded, continue managing it through your Discover Home Loans account. All terms remain unchanged. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.